Super weather.
Windy and warm today across North Texas with temperatures running about 10 degrees above normal. We will see some sunshine today, but there will be some more clouds around, especially here this morning. We'll see the cloud cover break as we approach the midday, and then a high thin cirrus deck going to be arriving for us as we get into the afternoon time period. And our high temperatures today, again, they'll top out into the 80s, mid 80s for us here across the Metroplex. We've got some locations in the low 80s from Vonn back towards Paris and Sulphur Springs, close to 90 today out towards the west. You will notice the winds. They are picking up and coming in out of the south, occasionally gusting upwards of 30 and 35 miles throughout the course of the day. That's ushering in some moisture, so starting to feel a little bit more sticky and a touch more humid across the area. You see the cloud cover, it's pretty extensive through the first part of the day, but we'll start to see that break up by lunchtime, but then more clouds filtering in for us as we head towards the afternoon. With those clouds winning out today, that's going to keep our temperatures in the low and mid 80s. Temperatures tonight fall back into the upper 60s, so we stay warm in through the overnight with mostly cloudy skies, and it stays pretty windy even into tonight too. As we get into the day tomorrow, clouds will continue to thicken. We do have the chance for some thunderstorms as we get into the late afternoon and evening time period. I think the primary focus for that going to be for areas north and west, but even here in the Metroplex, we could get in on some of that activity as early as Friday evening. And then Saturday, going to be dealing with wet conditions, rounds of rain and thunderstorms. Some of this will be heavy at times. Some of it could even be severe. Hail and high winds going to be the main concerns, along with the flood threat that will continue even into the first part of the day on Sunday. Sunday, not completely a washout. I think by the time we get towards lunchtime and beyond into the afternoon on Sunday, we'll actually see some sunshine, some drier weather will prevail, but it'll start off a little bit wet. So here's what it looks like on Futurecast as we get into the day on Friday. You'll notice the cloud cover across the entire area. By the time we get towards the late afternoon and evening, starting to see thunderstorms develop, and we continue with rounds of rain and storms into the day on Saturday. And again, some of that will be heavy, and there is the potential for some severe weather. Rain totals could be quite high. Widespread 1 to 3 inch rain amounts, with the higher amounts to our north as we move through the weekend time period. We've got some more active days ahead with severe weather potential even as we move into next week. So of course, we'll continue to monitor that closely in the days ahead.
Sign up for super weather.